attentive and look at the board and start counting. Okay बच्चों, tell me how many balls? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow! How many balls? Count once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, look down. Here are umbrellas. What are these? Umbrellas. Okay, tell me. How many umbrellas are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 umbrellas. How many umbrellas are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Come down. Oh, what are these? Bottles. What are these? Bottles. Okay. Count the bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bottles. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bottles. Okay. What are these? Mangoes. Wow. Do you like mangoes? Good. Okay. Count the mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once again. Count the mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many balls? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls are here. And how many umbrellas are? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 umbrellas. Count the bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bottles. Count the mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes. 4 balls, 4 umbrellas, 4 bottles and 4 mangoes. Wow! What is the number of balls? 4. What's the number of balls? 4. What's the number of balls? 4. Good. You have done it. Okay बच्चों, look at the board. How to write 4. How to write 4. 1 comes down, turn to the right, the other runs down with all its might. 1 comes down, turns to the right, the other runs down with all its might. 1 comes down, turns to the right, the other runs down with all its might. 1 comes down, turns to the right, the other runs down with all its might. Okay, ये हमने क्या लिखा है? 4. क्या लिखा है हमने? 4. कैसे है? कैसे लिखना है हमने? 1 comes down, turn to the right, the other runs down with all its might. 1 comes down, turns to the right, the other runs down with all its might. Okay, we have completed our maths work. Okay, play class. Let open your books on the page number 5. Open your math books. Okay, look, 4 is here with us. Okay, what is this? Bag. Wow. Count the bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags. Once again, count the bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags. How many bags? 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Tell me the spelling of 4. F-O-U-R. 4. Once again, spell F-O-U-R. 4. Once again, spell it F-O-U-R. 4. 4 bags. How many bags? 4 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 bags. Okay. Calm down. Look at here. Circle the number 4. Okay बच्चों, अब गैस करें कि यहाँ पे 4 किधर लिखा हुआ है. बताएं. ये 4 है? नहीं. तो फिर ये क्या है? कौन सा नंबर है ये? 2. ओके. ये कौन सा नंबर है? 4. वाओ. ओके. सर्कल इट. और ये क्या है? 3. गुड. और ये 2. और ये 1. ओके. और ये लास्ट पे अगेन 4. हमने किसको सर्कल करना है? 4 को. किसको सर्कल करना है? 4 को. और ये हमने 4 को सर्कल कर दिया. कितने बैग थे? 4. कितने बैग्स हैं यहाँ पे? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 बैग्स. कितने बैग्स हैं? 4 बैग्स. शाबाश. We have done our work. ओके नर्सरी क्लास, बेटा आप भी अपनी बुक्स खोलें मैथ की. आपका पेज नंबर 7. पेज नंबर 7 पे देखें. ओह ये देखें 4. ये क्या है? वाटर गन्स. वाओ. कितनी गन्स हैं? काउंट द वाटर गन्स. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 water guns. 4 water guns. 4 water guns. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 water guns. 4 water guns. What are the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 4 water guns. 4 water guns. Very good.